Welcome to Besto HRMS, Smart HR Management Made Simple. In this video, we will show you how you can register your organization on Besto HRMS. First, open your browser and search for bestohrms.com. On the home page, click on Register to get started. First, you need to create a super admin account by entering your name and email address, then click on Continue. Next, fill in your company details, including company name, industry type, company email, phone number, and address. You can also upload your company logo. Once done, proceed to the Domain Setup section, where you can choose a domain for your organization. You also have the option to select a custom domain. A custom domain means that if your organization already has its own domain, we can set up Besto HRMS on that same domain for you, ensuring a seamless and branded experience. After that, select a subscription plan and complete the payment process. Once your registration is successful, you will receive provisional access within 2 days. When your portal is fully ready, you will receive an email with your login credentials. This is how you can easily register your organization. Transform your recruitment journey with Besto HRMS.